Yeah, hi, here is Rafael, and as Karen did a video about EFT, I posted a comment that I have already. I love EFT, and really, in fact, in 2008, back in 2008, so 4, 5, 6 years ago. Okay, 6 years ago. Time flies when you're having fun. 6 years ago, I did a training course called Abundancia con EFT. So it's abundance with EFT. And I did this because in 2006 I had a book, Law of Attraction, a guide for abundance. And despite of that, many of the clients were getting great achievements in all kind of things, but looks like the financial part, it was one that they were still having trouble. So I did some research and I found EFT for unblocking beliefs and for helping them, and I did this training, Abundancia con EFT, abundance with EFT, so to help them release with 60 videos, that is 5 days a week from Monday to Friday, and 12 weeks alone, so they could unblock, unleash all this abundance that is already inside of them. So if you know anybody that speaks Spanish, you can recommend them to this site, because they're going to get 10 videos, so 10 videos from the 60 videos for free, completely free, no strings attached. And I don't know, that is everything that I wanted to share. Okay, see you tomorrow's video. Bye bye.